Hi everybody! Tonight I will show you step by step how to make a little face to your cat Lovie's. First we will start in the middle of the face like this. Keep yourself a little tail of yarn at the beginning. It will serve to close it at the end. So I will go on the side to start the first, I think it's whiskers, the name of the, I'm not sure. In French it's moustache. So you come back in the middle here, go down, you do the third one, and then you will go in the middle and on the top to do the little nose. Not this side, this side. So I do on the side like this, and we'll start another, the other side. I'm in the wrong row, so I will just skip under it, and then I will start by doing the first one on the top. I put my needle on top like this to have an idea, and I go back in the middle like this and go a little bit further for the middle one like I did on the other side. Come back in the middle, always in the same stitches. Pull your yarn gently, go down to the third one, and you don't go in the middle, no, you go at the starting point like this. That's why I told you to keep some tail when you start. So half of the face is done. So I will show you how to fix the ears. So that part is done. I will cut the excess. Be careful not to cut your work. So voila, you could leave it like this or decide to do a sharp, not sharp, triangle ears by pinching it like this, and with your wool needle you will go and just go across and come back, and then you attach it. Nothing fancy. The only thing you need to do is to use the same color yarn if you have some. You will see at the other ears I ran out of yarn for that project, so you could see the light blue on the side. You're not supposed to see it in general, but since I didn't have any dark blue, I have to use the pale one. So you will see it. You see the sewing, but imagine it's darker and you don't see it. So I do this little tail in the head, and then I will just stretch it. And on the other side now, go and I do this little piece of yarn, stretch it, and here I have a stitch that is like long, so I'm just gonna twist it with my wool needle, pick it in the head, and bring it with the yarn, and voila, it's disappear. Don't see it. It was a little tip. So cut the excess, and now I will do the eyes. For the eyes I will go very simple. I will just go with a little V on top of the stitch that's already there. So I go and choose a side right here, go across like this, keep yourself a little tail of yarn, and then you will go and go like this to create a V, like this, and go down and go on the other side like this, and then on the side, and I was to go back. I have to fix that. I was to go back to the starting point, and then I changed my mind. Since I have a long tail, I will go and hide it in the neck like this. So now fix the little eyes, then bring that tail in the same exact stitch that I have in the back of the neck. Fix the little eyes with the tip of my needle. Attach it. Make sure you don't go too tight for the first one to change the shape of your eyes. I pick it here because I don't have a lot of yarn. So like this. So voila, your little face is done. Hope you enjoyed this small video. If you want to see the original, I have it in the video description. So see you next week for a new video. Ciao ciao and never give up.